Hi, this is Will with Austin Hardware. Down at Quin Global's labs today, we've been testing some material for a customer, and it's a little bit more of a unique application. So what we're going to be doing is fixturing these aluminum tubes to this aluminum sheeting, and it's going to go for roll-up doors. And the reason why they need to fixture this is when they go to flip it over to put in rivets and screws, they need to have something that holds it in place, so that way they don't shift and get out of spec. So today we're going to spray the AH07. Both the AH07 and AH90 are going to have very similar setup. They're going to spray very similarly, so we're just going to spray the one for this test today to show how it works. I do have bonded samples I'll show you at the end. That's both products, so we can see the results of how they worked. With this, we're doing a much smaller scale than what the customer typically will have. They can go anywhere from 1 foot to 3 foot to 8 foot and on up the line. We're just going to do a small little 8-inch by 8-inch piece here just to show a proof of concept and how this is going to work. Before we get started spraying any product, we're going to walk through the simple setup that goes with the Tensorgrip products. It's a simple 3-step process. Everything you need is going to come in your toolkit. That'll be your M130 hose, M120 gun, and your special wrench. So to start, we are going to take our hose. The small end will go on the canister. Get that nice and snug. A little test pattern. It's probably a little high. Okay, we'll give it a couple minutes here. And then we'll go ahead, turn, and place. Perfect, but that's all right. This is about 20 seconds after bonding. It'll take some effort, but we can get it apart. You'll see it's cohesive failure. That's what we want to see. We do have one that we bonded that's fully set now. Just so you can see, to get this pulled apart, we're bending the metal to get it off. So it's going to give them plenty of strength overall and still have that cohesive failure. So even as they're fixturing, it's going to hold exactly where they place it. Guys, I appreciate you watching today. It's always a pleasure to come down to Quin's labs and have fun spraying some glue around and seeing what we can stick together. I really like doing these unique applications and always welcome Quin's team to join us on them.